Hey everybody, this is Jeff Jones. Long time no see, no hear. I'm from theboxmen.com, where we've changed the way you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to go over the 5 ways that you can increase streaming quality on any media device. So let's take a look. All right, so let's get right into the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I've been gone really busy over the last week and a half, so I'm really excited to get back to making some videos, some pretty good content, and maybe even getting some new customers, which I think every person who's come aboard recently from watching Super Del's show, watching the videos, we've grown so much, and I'm really grateful. But this video should put some things in play, because the best thing we want to do, if we could, is to increase in something. You always want to try to find a way to get better at something. But the 5 ways, let's go over 5 ways to increase your stream quality, starting with number 1. The first way is purchase high quality equipment. Again, number 1, purchase high quality equipment. What do I mean by that? We all start somewhere, okay? Fire stick, on boxes, very inexpensive equipment. You get what you pay for. Me Cool boxes, Formula boxes, better high-end boxes. So it's just like anything in your body. Garbage in your body, garbage out. And most people, pardon me, most people want the best quality for the lowest amount of money, and it doesn't work out that way. Ever. Never ever will a Amazon Fire Stick or an On Stick from Walmart or an On Box be compared to a Me Cool or a Dune box or even a Zoomy box or even a Formula. Because high quality devices run at a higher quality level. Garbage in, garbage out. And that also goes with streaming media. So one of the best ways to increase your stream quality is purchase great equipment, more expensive equipment after doing research. Because the average Formula for me has lasted over 5 to 6 years minimum. Okay, services have changed on it, but the boxes are still running. Even the ones I sold 7 years ago that are running about Android 7, I think, or 8, one of the two. So I appreciate that one. So the number 1 thing is purchase higher quality equipment. Okay, number 2 on this list, I found that you need to disable other apps before you start streaming. You need to disable them. And so let's just talk about the streaming. Let's just talk about other apps. Most people, whether you know this or not, your internet service provider has an intranet, especially if you're using their router. Now, it's better if you own your own router, because you can go in the intranet or back office of your router and you can start seeing some different numbers, because numbers don't lie. The majority in 2024, get this, the majority of connections in an average household of 3.5 people is over 20. Almost 20 or a little bit above. Because everything in your homes or everything in our homes is combating or competing for the Wi-Fi. That's why we have to have 2 different, channels, 2.4, 5G. Because everything is looking to get that internet or your Wi-Fi password to get on your network to compete with the other devices in your house. What I would suggest you to do is, if you're not using an application, maybe your smart TV, you're not using it for apps on the smart TV, disable it. The more things that you're trying to connect wirelessly, the more buffering or you'll have, and you won't have streaming quality. You'll have choppy quality. So pay attention to that. Disable other apps before. All right, number 3 is to delete all the caches and cookies. Cookies speak to your browser, but since I'm on a Formula device, I'll show you what I mean by caches. As I go to settings, you want to go down to apps and press OK. Then I want to go to see all apps and press OK. These are all the apps that are on my device. Let's say I want to remove or clear the cache in Brave. That's a browser. No. How about Downloader? So what I'll do is I'll click on Downloader. I'll go down a little bit here, not data, but cache. This right here, if you're using a streaming app, if it hasn't been cleared, hasn't been rebooted, it will start affecting your streaming quality. Now, there are a couple of applications, utility applications, that will do this for a nominal fee. I think it's worth having. So take a look at some of those and learn how to clear your cache or your cookies so you can have a better streaming. All right, I believe this is the last point, and that is uninterrupted Wi-Fi connections. Uninterrupted Wi-Fi connections. What's that simply mean? On your device, if you're going Wi-Fi, like I am right now, let's say you're trying to record something on your Formula device, or maybe you're looking to time shift, where you can pause live TV and record what you're watching if you're away. If your internet connection is choppy, like right now I have 1,000 megabits on this device. If your internet is very choppy and unstable, it will hinder the streaming quality, especially if you're looking to record or time shift so you can watch something while it's even playing, especially on these Formula devices. One of the ways to really check that or get rid of that is to actually do an Ethernet connection. It makes sense. I have an Ethernet connected cable right now to this Verizon router in the middle of my garage. And I know I'm getting everything that this Verizon router does for me in my device. I am not worried about recording on this device because I do it all the time and I don't miss anything because I'm taking these steps to ensure I have a really great experience. So even if you have to go Wi-Fi, maybe the position of the router near your box increases your stability or connectivity to the router itself, therefore giving you a better experience. And that's what we want. We want a great experience using our media devices. So number 5, and the final thing, is uninterrupted Wi-Fi connections. As I close out this video, once again, I want to thank every new customer that came aboard this whole month and even last month, and even some returning customers. I want to thank people that are in the industry with me that help me do what I'm able to do with our team. We are beyond the moon to what is happening with some great people coming aboard. And we want to invite you to learn more. If you're looking for a device that has just about everything you're looking for, let's say for a longer period of time, maybe 3 years of some of the best live TV, sports, entertainment, all that stuff, you want to look at the one and done. And there's some instructions on to watch the video and make your decision, because we were, I think that 2 months ago we sold over 600. It's just a really, really great box, very affordable. You're looking about $190.36. I mean, you're not even going to beat that. So if it's something that you're looking for, or maybe you're looking for a person you can trust, I'm not perfect, but I am very consistent. And I'm consistent this way. I will teach you, I will train you, and I will support you so you're streaming on your own. If you decide to come back, after that time, great. If you don't, at least you know and have been empowered on how to stream. Hey, don't keep me a secret if you're a current customer. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors. But most importantly, if you're interested in taking control of your entertainment, click the link and look at the one and done device. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.